Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys a little project that I decided to work on during this quarantine. As you guys may already know, I've moved out recently, so I've been filming for you guys a lot of behind the scene during this whole process. This is going to be like my third part to this little series, so I hope you guys are enjoying it. I'm going to be showing you guys how I painted my living room accent wall. I decided to go for a very unusual color, however it's very usual for those who are into farmhouse aesthetic and all of that. I am not really much of a one aesthetic person. As you guys see behind me, this is not really farmhouse colors and all of that. It's not really farmhouse, but I am like, I can pick a little bit of everything from different things, and I'm into like metals and modern and all of that, but I love farmhouse, so I wanted to bring that into my living room, although I kind of shifted a little afterwards. You guys will see. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It will let me know that you guys are liking this and that you want me to keep coming back with stuff like this. Also turn on those post notifications so that you don't miss out if I do keep bringing these videos. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay guys, so we're going to start by covering the whole floor. As you guys can see, I have living room all over. What did I just say? I have carpet all over my living room, so we're going to cover that. I do not want to get anything on top of it, and I cannot imagine, because I never had carpet first off, so I cannot imagine how much it is to fix this thing, so we're not going there today. Anyways, as you guys can see, I am taping everything, all the plastic to the wall, so I'm just killing two birds with one stone. And then we're going to go up and tape the walls as well. I'm going to have Ricardo help me real quick with this stair, because I was so afraid to just climb this thing by myself, and I did not want him to do it because I wanted to get it done myself. Oh my god, he's so annoying, guys. He's so annoying. Finally realized. Stop!
You have no respect
Please,
for me.
come up here.
You have no respect for me.
Please.
Say sorry.
I'm sorry.
Y me da un besito.
Please, I'm up
Si me
here.
da un besito.
When I get up.
No.
Ricardo, I'm up here.
No.
Okay, so after that whole back and forth, I swear he's so annoying. We're back to work, you guys. I have him helping me real quick, but he's going to go clean some other things around the house while I do this, because honestly, painting wasn't his gift, and you know the drill. If you want something to be good, you do it yourself, period. I did take some breaks in between. As you guys see, I was talking to my friend, and she was literally asking me like what's going on, because it wasn't looking pretty at all, and I'll give her that. I know. I will actually regret doing that, like writing that on the wall, because oh my god, it was so hard to try to cover that. Like, you guys will see the struggle. And here you have it, you guys. This is how it was looking all the way into like the second coat, and I was freaking out. I was like, how am I going to cover this thing? But you know, I just let it dry, and then I went over it. I was doing such a bad job, you guys. Oh my god. And then I went in with the second coat. It was looking bluish. I was freaking out. I was like, no, I want a black. And the paint was also peeling off because I was going over it too much. And here you guys have it. I love this wall. You guys would never understand how much I love it. My family was so freaked out by this wall. They were like, what did you do? So I started to prank them. You guys will see it in a bit, but I love this wall. Like, can we take a minute? All right, we did.
And you guys, we know that not everybody likes the black wall, so we're going to call Ricardo's dad and show it to him and see his reaction, because he's hilarious. So we want to see. My little sister already showed it to her, and she hung up, like, so dramatic. She hung up on me and she was like, it looks like a haunted house, and she hung up on me. And then my big sister, she was like, dude.
Sí, solamente nos falta pintar esta pared ya para terminar la casa entera. ¿Y por qué te la pintan tan oscura? No, porque un color negro es un color bien lindo. ¿No te gusta a ti? Pero, ¿qué pasó? Dame tu opinión.
Oh, no me gusta.
¿Cómo que no te gusta?
Así oscuro no. Ese color.
Sí, pintamos la casa entera de negra.
Está muy oscuro.
¿No te gusta entonces?
Ay, no, está muy feo.
Pero fue mi mujer que cogió el color.
Pero está muy oscuro. Mira qué cosa. Modelo azulito.
Solamente nos falta esta pared ahora. Ya.
Rosadito.
Stop. I'm seriously recording doing that.
Ah. Sí, mire el color que le pusimos, la casa entera. Solamente nos falta esta pared ya.
¿Qué color es eso?
Negro, como un negro seco.
Ay, Padre Santo.
¿Qué pasó?
Mira eso, dice color negro que está en la casa de ella. Está bonito.
Es que Fanisa estaba en depresión y quiso con un color bien oscuro. ¿No le gusta a usted?
Está bonita, para mí no me gusta, pero no me gusta la bonita. Negro, eso no era el misterio casi.
Quitamos la casa entera, solamente nos falta esa pared y ese techo. Pues yo pensaba que a usted le iba a gustar.
No, pero le pone un pauta de simula y cuadro.
We wanted to show you how the house looks.
Mira, mami, lo que hizo tu hija. Ay, mira lo que hizo tu hija.
I painted the whole house like that.
I said the whole entire house of black.
Yeah. Because it's modern. What?
It looks nice.
You don't like it?
No, it looks nice, but the whole house, Randy said, it's gonna look like you have a funeral.
Mira, mamoy. Mamoy. Haters gonna hate mamoy. Haters.
Okay, you guys, so it's officially the next day. I'm so excited. My wall is completely dried off, so we're going to go ahead. Well, Ricardo's going to go ahead and start putting these LED strip lights behind the TV because we're going to just fix everything and start the fun part, which is decoration. I love these lights. They're so cool. You can change colors or you can leave it at one because I don't think I'll be using this mode. It's so distracting. But anyways, he's going to put the TV on the wall. Then I'm going to clean everything and start decorating. I'm going to be putting my plant on this corner right here. I don't know if it's the best spot for it, but for now it's good. I can always just move it around in the house. I also got this fake hay from the Dollar Tree. It was literally just $1, guys, and I ended up just using one bag. I don't know why I got two, but you know, you gotta be prepared. I get a lot of questions on where I got this plant, and it was actually on Amazon. I literally get everything on Amazon, you guys, and this was around $100 or $90, not too sure. I'll link it down below, so if you guys are interested, you can get it from there. Also, I get some questions on my aesthetic. Oh wait, real quick, I am not going to leave that cactus there for the video. I will, but I did move it around. I don't like how it looks there. Anyways, I get a lot of questions on my aesthetic, and honestly, I'm into farmhouse, like modern farmhouse and stuff, but I like my metals. I'm obsessed with gold, so I don't have like a specific aesthetic. I like to mix in, you know, modern, farmhouse, and all of that. Moving on, I'm actually trying to find a basket that is big enough to hide all those cables that are right there on the corner from the router, TV, all of that. I hate to see that on the way, and mostly because I have these bars. You guys will see at the end of this video that I got one, but it ended up being too small, so I'm going to be updating you guys. Follow me on Instagram because that's where I update you guys all the time.
Okay guys, so this was the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and like I mentioned earlier, I am going to keep making videos like this, so if you guys are really into this, don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on those post notifications, and until next time, I'll see you guys very soon. Mwah.